We are going to do another planything unboxing. Hey y'all, this is Rachelle and welcome back to my channel, Rachelle's Plans. Thank you for joining me for another video, and in today's video I have some fun and exciting news. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a return subscriber, welcome back. Y'all, I am a planything affiliate. So in the description box of the video, I will have my affiliate link provided. So that way, if anything that you see here or that you've previously seen and you would like to purchase, I would truly appreciate if you use my link. I will receive a small commission from the sale. Okay, so y'all, before we get started, just a little bit of background. So Amber from planything is in the Netherlands, okay? And she has her shop planything. Well, previously planything purchased, or her collections included artwork that she purchased from other designers. Anything that you see from Amber, so including this release, which is today, will contain all of her own illustrations, okay? So, which means that she's doing it all herself. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so we got that one there. And y'all, so the release is today, February the 2nd. By the time you're seeing this video, the release is happening, okay? It's all of these items or products were released today, February the 2nd at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. All right, y'all. So here are the goodies. Now, what do we want to look at first? Okay. So y'all, okay, there is a lot here. So we've got 2 notepads, and these are the bigger notepads, and they are double-sided. Now, they are not sticky, so you just would peel it off, okay? These will come in handy. So you have, this one is lined, this one is not lined, and the houses are different. They have the planything stamp here on the bottom right hand side, but y'all, this is so cute. So like I said, they're double-sided, really cute. Springish. It has flowers here. Look at the trees, the girl riding her bike, in her dress, and then on the back side it's just the flower stand. So pretty there. All right, and then on this one here, that's plain. They're on the bridge with the canal underneath, and this is not lined, but you still can make use of this however you see fit. Again, here's what it looks like. You got the ice cream truck or stand in places where you can sit. This is so cute. All right, so you have, in this release, there were 2, I guess they're 5x7 size notepads. Okay, and then she always includes some cardstock, decorative cardstock sheets here that you can use. I usually punch these, put in my planner, or you can use them as decorative pieces when you use your flat lay, if you take pictures for Instagram. But look at this one, y'all. But you know what, this may be, you know what, I'm thinking, I see pumpkins here, so it may be more fallish. You let me know what you think. With the gray skies there, and then the dark clouds. And then here's the back. Okay, so now this is Christmas. Okay, we see you got the snow falling, the snow-capped houses with the string of lights. You got the snowman here. You got the Christmas wreath there, and then the girl is skiing. She is ice skating, not skiing. Okay, and then all of her cardstocks is usually double-sided, so you can use them on whatever side you want. But yeah, I cut these down and just have them as decorative elements or pieces in my planner. So this one here is the spring scene. So the girl on the bike, and here is the flower stand here for springtime. You know, it's probably the 4 seasons. And then you have the bike here with the flower stand at the front, and then the little flower baskets. Okay, and then again on the bridge here with the flower stands, this says cheese here. The girl walking her dog. So cute, so cute. And then here's the back side. This is really cute, really pretty. Summertime. I said ice cream. This may be cotton candy. What do y'all think? Let me know. Cotton candy or ice cream? I'm saying, I don't know. I'm gonna say ice cream. I know it's a lot. That's a big scoop for ice cream, but it looks summertime to me. So you know what? I think these are the 4 seasons. Fall. Okay. Winter or Christmas. Let's see, spring. And why I'm saying spring is because of the flowers there and the flower baskets. And then summer. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But again, let me know what you think about this. Is it cotton candy or is it ice cream? So, all right. So those are the cardstock sheets there. Oh, you know what? We've got more notepads. Yeah, these are the seasons. These are the different seasons. Okay, so here's a fall illustrated scene. So again, you have the lined here. You've got the fall, the trees that have turned colors. Again, you have planything down here, her logo here in the bottom. And then this is what the back of the page looks like. So yeah, this is fall. And y'all, so in this video, I'm not going to be doing a plan with me using the sticker book, but that'll come later. I just want to do the unboxing today. And then here's the winter or Christmas notepad, unlined page with the snow falling and the snow-capped houses. So cute. The snowman. Looks like, is she pulling a sled? Okay, then here is the back. These mimic the cardstock sheets there. So the girl's skiing. Okay. All right, so those are going to come in handy. Really handy. Okay, and then you have now this is a sticky notepad, and it is not double-sided. So you've got the scene here, the houses scene here, but then you have just a smaller sticky notepad. You cannot have enough sticky notes. Like, I use these all the time. So I live for a good sticky notepad. And y'all, now the thing that well, you know what I'm most excited about is the sticker book, but I still have to show y'all the washi tape rolled out. All right, so here are the different washi's. So I'm saying spring, summer, fall, and winter. Okay, so that's what I am saying. And then here are the grid washi and then the bike washi that will coordinate with this washi here. So let me show y'all. I've swatched it out, so let me show y'all what it looks like. So you've got the purple and the green trees here with the purple coordinating grid washi. And this looks like this may be 10 millimeter, and this may be 5. I'm not exactly sure on that, but all that'll be listed on her site, which is shopplanything.com, which again will be listed in the description box of the video. Everything, the details regarding the new release will be in the description box of the video. So then you have here the lined houses, okay, with this green plaid washi here. Then you have the fall trees with this kind of grayish or taupe color washi. Then you have the winter scene with the coordinating washi here. And then you just have the bikes there, okay? So cute washi. If you want to use this, you can line the bottom of your pages. You can do whatever with washi tape. Okay, I don't use washi a lot, just because, I don't know, I have a lot of washi, I just don't use it that often. Okay, so now y'all, the planything seasonal houses and trees in Amsterdam, 530 stickers on 30 sticker sheets, and this artwork is all hand drawn or drawn by Amber. So let's flip through it. Okay, so this is fall, and these are on clear or transparent paper. So you get 2 sheets of those. Oh, look at the dark, like, you know, fallish looking gray clouds. So you got an umbrella, a pumpkin, the fall trees, the street lamps, the lady walking her dog, some the brick walkway, leaves, and then I think this is just, is this puddles? I don't know. Okay, so 2 sheets of those. Again, these are all clear or clear, transparent, or matte paper. More fall houses, and then the street lamps, fall trees and houses, or what is it? Brick front or stone front houses. All right, so now we come to the functional. So all of her sticker books are laid out the same. You get a long box sticker, you get 2 classic size stickers, you get some quarter size, half boxes, and then you get some small circles, and then a double box sticker. So these are all paper, and I like Amber's functional stickers because they are thick. They're not real so thick, but they're thicker than, you know, you don't like just thin functional boxes, but these have a good thickness to it. So you get 2 sheets of those. Now we come to Christmas or winter. Again, this artwork was illustrated by Amber herself. She did a good job, really good job. That's how she was pulling her on the sled. 2 sheets. So you see here the same, these are the same illustrations that are on the notepads, the sticky notepad, and the cardstock paper. So it all coordinates. Okay, I love these colors. All right, so now the functional boxes. Now, if you've watched my Plan With Me's, I will take my my check it off stencil, and I'll make these sometimes, not all the time, so I will make these to have checklists on them. For me, I get more functionality out of the sticker by having the lines in the sticker. Okay, so spring. You got the flowers, you got the bridge here, the girl on the bike with the flower basket, then the bike with the flower cart, like they're going to the market to sell the flowers for the spring. Okay, another sheet. These are good. You can make little scenes in your planner. It doesn't necessarily have to be at the bottom. You can make 3 or 4 different scenes in a week on your planner pages. Just got to get creative. And these are the coordinating functional boxes. 2 sheets. All right, and then next we have summer. I don't know what stroop waffles are. You have to let me know what that is, Amber. I'm not sure. So you got a blanket here for a picnic. I think that's a ice cream cart. That's what I think it is. Y'all still let me know what y'all think. So if you want to eat outside, you have the trees here. All of these, you can create your own scene. I just had an idea too. It's a girl walking her dog. You can have different scenes here by using these stickers here. So these are so pretty. I like the use of colors that she used. Ooh, look at these. Yep, okay. So functional boxes, you get 2 sheets of those. And then you have just the houses. So look at this one here. This is a long strip of just houses. If you wanted to do that scene at the bottom of your planner page. You got the bigger houses, and then you have the smaller strip there. And then you get 2 sheets of those. So y'all, okay, and it says artwork drawn by Amber. All right, y'all, so the seasonal houses and trees in Amsterdam. So y'all, to recap, we have the sticker book. We've got the sticky note, the small sticky notepad. We have 4 of the notepads. So you've got the spring, summer, fall, and then winter. Remember, we had the 4 different cardstock pages here. Then we had the washi tapes here. And yeah, so y'all, this is everything from the new release. Again, everything releases today, February the 2nd at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 11 a.m. Central Standard Time at shopplanything.com. All the details regarding the release will be in the description box below. Also, my affiliate link will be in the description box below as well. I would appreciate it if you do use that link. Thank you, Amber, for sending me all of these beautiful goodies. I cannot wait to use them. So y'all, this is everything. I hope you all enjoyed seeing this unboxing. Let me know in the comments below whether you think that is cotton candy or ice cream. Don't forget. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Playing with Rachelle and Rachelle Budgets. And thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.